So mga kabunso, your tequila sunrise is ready. Cheers! Good evening mga kabunso, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make tequila sunrise. Yes, tequila sunrise. So for the tequila sunrise, you need this tequila. Using tequila is a Jose Cuervo Silver and fresh orange juice, and of course this is an important of this topic, grenadine syrup, and of course my shaker and jigger. So for this time I will use also highball glass for the tequila sunrise. So let's start for the tequila sunrise. So mga kabunso, I will put first step grenadine for the bottom of the highball glass, like 15 ml. 15 ml of grenadine syrup, because I don't want more sweetness, so this is fine. And then I put ice. We need full of ice, and then second step. So I prepare first my glass, and then second double shots of tequila, means 60 ml of tequila, 30, 60 ml of tequila, and orange juice is 120 ml of orange juice, 60, 90, 120 of orange juice, and ice. This is my favorite. Shake it, baby. For the shaking is 8 to 10 seconds only. Don't forget. Then almost done. So fill up. Fill. Okay, looking nice. Tequila sunrise, and then for your bar spoon, you can use this bottom. Slow. Oh, look at that. Nice. Perfect. Like you are in same like you're in the beach. You can see the sun. So this time I can use the orange wedges for the garnish. this is the garnish. Simple garnish. And then, of course, straw. Wow. So, mga kabunso, your tequila sunrise is ready. You can have it. So, mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share to all your friends and family. And thank you very much. And of course, this is always my favorite. It's a tasting time. Nice. You cannot feel the heavy of tequila. You will taste is sour, bitter, like that, because bitter for the orange and sweet for the grenadine. Is nice. So mga bunso, your tequila sunrise is ready. Cheers!